Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on this freshers and experience interview questions. So now, first here we want to concentrate on today here in polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? So polymorphism is nothing but it has a single entity. It's single entity but multiple behaviors. multiple behaviors multiple behaviors. How this is also same like as a code reusability thing concept, but it has single entity, multiple. So like here, simple example for this is fragments in our this means once I can create a fragment with some list that I can reuse in different places with different actions. So that we can simply say as this polymorphism. Like in a single place, I'm creating the code base that having multiple behaviors. I'm showing this multiple behaviors in this. Also, I'm creating one form like a registration form or some other form. So one place I'm creating the form, the same form I'm reusing for view, and I same form I'm reusing again for edit. That is also one of the example of polymorphism. So means that can be has this single entity, but it can do multiple things in this. So that is this. So what happens if we do like this? So if we are doing like this, so it first will can get the flexibility, flexibility that single entity in perform this means if we get an as flexibility means we are writing only the ones that I'm converting where I want to use multiple places. I'm using the multiple things. So that what happens here, it can be flexible. If it can be flexible with a single entity, means single code base. So it reduces the execution time. It reduces the execution time. Why it's executing the reducing the means obviously the code has reduced code. So if it is reduced code automatically, it can be execution time should be speed. And also if it is code reduced and these things, obviously it has the security as well. So this simply this is a polymorphism is nothing but it is a single entity but it has multiple behaviors or multiple forms. Then we can say it has a polymorphism. But using this polymorphism, we can achieve flexibility where single entity can perform different options according to your requirement. If it is like this, execution time will be reduced because of the code also less. So this is nothing but an polymorphism. So please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.